Welcome! In this course, I'll be taking you through some common and less common local SEO tasks. The content of these lessons is something that I wish that I'd had access to when I started out on my journey of working on local SEO projects for a range of organisations. Although I was quite aware of the tasks that needed completing, I didn't always have access to the right guidance, templates or frameworks that would actually help me to get those tasks done. I knew the why, but I did not necessarily know the how. And that's where this course comes in. In this course, I'm going to take you through 4 specific local SEO tasks. In each lesson, we'll take a quick look at the why, but we'll take a much deeper dive into the how. Wherever I can, I'll provide a framework or a shared resource that will help make your life easier. My processes are based on my beliefs in how I choose to work with clients and stakeholders. Plus, they're rooted in many years of hands-on experience. Now, this doesn't mean that they're perfect or that they're the only way to operate and get things done. I'm sharing them with you because I hope that they'll be useful for you, and in turn they're going to be useful for your clients and your employers because they'll allow you to do good or better or even excellent work. This course will suit anyone working in or on local SEO, whether you're in-house or agency side, working on multi-location or single location. Pick and choose from the lesson units depending on the types of services and products that you're offering and to whom. Okay, cool. Grab yourself a drink and let's get stuck in.